Fruitlittans! Happy Wednesday! Good morning everyone! Today I'm showing you how to make bracelet. Okay? Meron akong bagong natuklasang skills. Making jewelries. So I'm showing you how to make this right now. Yung kailangang materials, you have these beads. Yung gagamitin ko ngayon, this one, oh, cute-cute na mga beads. Okay. Okay. So, simulan natin ang gagawa ng bracelet. Meron ako ditong purple, white pearl, it's like a beige, yep, pink, and this one is like brown. This one is a mixture of red and orange. Then the white one and the blue one. Okay, and you just need these 2 needles, and you need also the lock. I use this magnet lock, the clamp, and the seed beads. These are called seed beads, the gold ones, the round ones. Okay, we will start doing this bracelet. The materials you need is this thread. I use this clear cord, monocord. Yes, and you can also use the stretchy one. This is not the stretchy one, okay? Thread, needles, beads. You have this kind of tool, jewelry tool, to hold it, to grip. Then this is the seed beads and the beads. Okay, let's start. So I prepare 160 centimeters of this thread. Then get the center of it, okay? Okay. This is the center. By the way, I use this kind of needle. Yet there's an open way to put on the thread, and then it would be easier for you to put on the thread. You just have to open up, then stick your thread there, so it would be easy for you. I like this kind of needle. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors. Let's see. Then we will measure. That's 4. So this is for the kids size. Okay, then I will show you how to lock this part. So you need when you do your jewelry making or DIY, make sure that those beads are secure. If you can double tie it, like that. So I double tie it. Just want to make sure that the beads are safe. Okay. So the buyer won't worry too much. Easy, okay. So here is the bracelet. This is for the kids bracelet. You see? Okay. Let's put a lock on it. So I'm gonna attach the lock. Okay. There you go. And this is the magnet lock. So see, it's magnet. See, it's magnet. So I'm gonna attach the other half on this side. Then attach the other one on the other side. So I'm gonna do like this. And then grip it and close. Okay. And make sure it's closed, tightly closed. Yeah, it's locked. See, it's locked now. Then attach the other one on the other side. Okay. Let's see. Okay. And there you go. And go. And close. And there you go. So it's locked now. Make sure. Okay. And insert this loop here inside the CD. So here's the bracelet that I just made. And some of this bracelet is my finished product. Welcome to Ayan the Kulit's DIY bracelet making.